Contact Savvy has been great. It keeps improving. Every time we get an update or enhancement, we continue to see improvements in contact rates, reduction in unnecessary dials. The EMAD technology has taken a big leap this year, so the pattern matching that's going on, along with a combination of the answering machine detection, lets us get through our, gives us penetration rates like we haven't seen before. We have been constantly monitoring our solution against other technologies. We want to make sure that we are using best of breed and want to see what's out there and what we can improve. And what we're consistently seeing are better metrics across the board when it comes to the AD detection and the connect rates. And we just continue to use it across the different lines of business, and it's been a very productive tool for us, especially now that we are using the new Contact Savvy dashboard. Having those metrics available to us in real time has been a huge help for us, and being able to have real-time statistics in front of us, being able to look at key KPIs and the agent utilization helps us make real-time decisions, and sometimes we have to adjust our contact strategies based on what we're seeing. The ability to see our abandon rates has been helpful for us too. Sometimes we have very aggressive operations groups that are trying to maximize their calls, and being able to see, hey, you're generating a lot of calls, but you're also now generating a lot of abandons. You need to relook at how you're using the pacing algorithm, and so that's reined in calls that we could have been collecting on that we weren't before. We're really using it in several different sections of the company. Our consumer collections uses it. We also even use it, we use it in healthcare, and we use it in early out business and some first party as well. Well, our original strategy was to get away from TDM and the costs around it. So having all the older DSP type of hardware, you had a single source of failure. You're dealing with one carrier, again a single source of failure, and also you're paying exorbitant costs for both the maintenance on hardware and you're paying premium for the vendor. So our first goal was to get on a voice over IP infrastructure, which is where things have been going and where everything's going here, and so we wanted to make sure we were ahead of the game on that. Being able to do that and make that the focus of our network architecture allowed us to have multiple vendors move to a software-based environment, so we could more easily replicate from both at the carrier level down to the software level that's processing the contact solution. So that was an important step in bringing this solution in place. Well, I think Ontario Systems done a great job at delivering state-of-the-art technology when it comes to just a great outbound solution that's maximizing our contacts. We now have some really good visibility and metrics in front of us to be able to manage to it. I think definitely where I'd like to see things go and improve would be on the inbound side, the ACD, doing more things with the agents. Being able to route, evaluate the agent performance, and actually make routing decisions based on that. And then, of course, as we slowly move over and the millennials become the primary consumer base, we want to make sure that we're looking at unified communication technologies as well and starting to integrate them in because that will be the contact method of choice. So with the increase in mobile app use over the next 2 to 3 years, it'll be very important that we have that's a strategic part of our contact strategy. Ontario's been a great partner. They've been willing to take some risks with us, which I can't say any other vendor's done. So, sometimes they suggest some ideas to us. Sometimes we have some ideas and we suggest to Ontario Systems, and they've been willing to bring resources to our disposal, and in turn, we work with them very closely, and we've been able to, just really do some great things this year. I'm really excited about the the dashboard, because that was a great project that came together quickly. Everyone came to the table, and we got something out there that's just it's very usable, implements the latest web-based technologies and mobile applications. So I'm just looking forward to continuing that relationship and build some amazing things in the coming year.